Hello everyone. Today we will discuss important MCQs for the staff nurse. Let's start with the first question. What is the unit of measurement for IV fluid flow rate? Correct answer is B. Drops per minute. IV fluid flow rate is typically measured in drops per minute, milliliter per hour, ml per hour. Nurses use a formula based on the IV set's drop factor to calculate the correct rate. Next question. What is the purpose of the drip chamber in an IV set? Correct answer is B. To monitor fluid flow. The drip chamber allows healthcare providers to observe the flow of IV fluid and prevent air from entering the bloodstream, which could cause an air embolism. Next question. At what angle should a subcutaneous injection be given? Correct answer is C. 45-degree subcutaneous injections are given at 45-degree angles to deposit medication into the fatty layer under the skin, allowing for slower absorption. Next question. What is the normal range for oral body temperature? Correct answer is C. 37 degrees Celsius to 37.5 degrees Celsius. The normal body temperature for adults is around 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit when measured orally. A temperature above 38 degrees Celsius is considered a fever. Next question. How much should a rectal thermometer be inserted? Correct answer is C. 2.5 centimeter. Rectal thermometers provide the most accurate readings but should be inserted 2.5 centimeter 1 inch to avoid discomfort or injury. Next question. The diaphragm of a stethoscope is used for listening to. Correct answer is A. High frequency sounds. The diaphragm is used to hear high pitched sounds such as lung and normal heart sounds. Next question. The bell of a stethoscope is used for. Correct answer is B. Low pitched sounds. The bell is used to detect low pitched sounds such as heart murmurs and abnormal blood flow. Next question. On which artery is a BP cuff placed? Correct answer is C. Brachial artery. The BP cuff is placed on the brachial artery located in the upper arm for accurate blood pressure measurement. Next question. A nasal cannula is used for. Correct answer is B. Low oxygen requirement. A nasal cannula delivers low flow oxygen 1 to 6 liter per minute and is comfortable for patients needing mild oxygen support. Next question. A Venturi mask is used for. Correct answer is A. Precise oxygen delivery. The Venturi mask is designed to deliver fixed oxygen concentrations 24% to 60%, making it ideal for COPD patients. Next question. A Foley catheter is used for. Correct answer is B. Urine drainage. Foley catheters are used for long-term urinary retention and are inserted into the bladder to drain urine continuously. Next question. Why is a sterile technique necessary for catheter insertion? Correct answer is A. To prevent infection. Aseptic technique prevents urinary tract infections UTIs, which are a common complication of catheter. Next question. What is the standard drop factor for a microdrip IV set? Correct answer is C. 60 drops per milliliter. A microdrip IV set delivers 60 drops per milliliter, which is useful for precise fluid regulation, especially in pediatric and critical care patients. Next question. The purpose of the roller clamp in an IV set is to. Correct answer is B. Regulate the flow rate. The roller clamp adjusts the tubing's pressure to control the speed of IV fluid infusion. Next question. Which injection route is used for insulin administration? Correct answer is B. Subcutaneous. Insulin is injected into the subcutaneous tissue fatty layer for slow and steady absorption. Next question. What is the common site for an intramuscular IM injection in adults? Correct answer is A. Deltoid muscle. The deltoid muscle upper arm is commonly used for IM injections, especially for vaccines. Next question. What is the most accurate method for measuring core body temperature? Correct answer is C. Rectal. Rectal temperature is the most accurate method as it reflects core body temperature. Next question. What is the normal rectal temperature range in adults? Correct answer is C. 37 degrees Celsius to 37.5 degrees Celsius. Rectal temperature is slightly higher than oral temperature, averaging around 37.5 degrees Celsius, 99.5 degree Fahrenheit. Next question. Which part of the stethoscope is used to listen to heart murmurs? Correct answer is B. Well, the well of the stethoscope is designed to hear low frequency sounds such as heart murmurs. Next question. Which artery is commonly used for measuring blood pressure? Correct answer is C. Brachial artery. BP is measured using the brachial artery in the upper arm as it gives an accurate reading of systemic pressure. Next question. What is the normal diastolic blood pressure in adults? Correct answer is A. 60 to 80 mmHg. Diastolic BP pressure when the heart relaxes sound be between 60 to 80 mmHg for a healthy adult. Next question. Which oxygen delivery device provides the highest oxygen concentration? Correct answer is C. Non-rebreather mask. A non-rebreather mask delivers up to 100% oxygen used in emergencies. Next question. What is the recommended oxygen flow rate for a nasal cannula? Correct answer is A. 1 to 6 liter per minute. Nasal cannulas provide low flow oxygen therapy with 1 to 6 liter per minute being the ideal range. Next question. What is the primary risk of urinary catheterization? Correct answer is C. Urinary tract infection UTI. catheter associated UTIs are common due to bacteria entering the urinary tract. Next question. What is the standard size of a Foley catheter for adults? Next question. In which position should a patient be placed for a lumbar puncture? Correct answer is C. Lateral recumbent. The lateral recumbent fetal position is used for lumbar punctures to open the intervertebral space. Next question. What is the purpose of an occlusive dressing? Correct answer is C. To prevent external contamination. Occlusive dressings are airtight and prevent bacteria or moisture from entering the wound, promoting faster healing. Next question. Which type of dressing is best for a burn wound? Correct answer is B. Hydrogel dressing. Hydrogel dressings keep burn wounds moist, promote healing, and reduce pain by providing a cooling effect. Next question. What is the function of a Kelly forceps? Correct answer is B. To clamp blood vessels. Kelly forceps are used to clamp small to medium sized blood vessels during surgery to control bleeding. Next question. Which suction catheter is used for deep tracheal suctioning? Correct answer is B. French catheter. French catheters are flexible and are used for deep tracheal suctioning, especially in patients with thick secretions.